Hi guys, so this is the simplest method on how to create these trendy cone sleeves. So first of all, get a pattern paper like this. Mark 7 inches on one end and the other side mark 5.5 inches. Go up again and then mark 5.5 inches. As you're going upwards, you're adding half inch to whatever it is that you have until you get to 7 inches so that you can align with the 7 inches mark that we had before. The next thing is to rule a line and then connect all these dots together. The lower part is supposed to be on fold, so don't forget to indicate that. So the next thing you're going to do is to cut this out using half an inch. Fold your fabric into two like this, then place the pattern on top of this, leaving half inch on top of it. Then go ahead and then cut it out. Once you're done cutting it out, pick it up and then place it again on top of the fabric and then cut it out again using the same procedure. Then after you have finished doing that, you should have something like this. Okay, you have double like this. Then go ahead and then iron a gum stay on top of the other one, just one of them. Place it on top of the other one and then sew it down using the half inch that we added. Now once you're done, go ahead and then cut out the excess. Turn it right side out and then you can go ahead and then iron it. Once you're done, fold it into two like this and then go ahead and use the half inch that we inserted and sew it down. Now after that, go ahead and then cut out the excess from that part and then turn it right side out. So once you turn it right side out like this, you should have something that looks like this. Now this other area that we just sewed down is the part that most people do use on their shoulder, but you can definitely use either ways. Okay, so just like now on my shoulder, this is the part that has been sewn. Okay, that's the part that's on top of my shoulder. Now I just turned it around. This other part now, the one on my shoulder is not the side that we sewed. Okay, so this is how it is. So please share this video guys if it was helpful.